Another house, another story. In today's client story, we'll take you through the inspiring journey of our client who turned their dream of owning a home into reality. From challenges to triumphs, this story shows that with the right support, anything is possible. Sit back, watch, and get inspired to start your own journey to home ownership. Who knows, you might be the next success story we'll share. And I am Maris from Unlock PH. Imagine being a young couple na pangarap lang dati ang sariling bahay pero ngayon hawak na nila ang susi ng kanilang dream home. Meet our clients na tagpuan ng perfect future home nila dito sa Kaya Homes Naik, Helena Model. Gaya ng maraming bagong pamilya, simple lang ang hanap nila. Bahay na modern, maaliwalas at abot kaya. Matagal silang naghanap pero nang makita nila ang Helena Model, alam nilang ito na ang tahanan na para sa kanila. Ang Helena Model ay may 2 bedrooms, spacious layout at maaliwalas na design. Meron na ding 1 toilet and bath. At ito pa ang maganda, malaki ang space mo sa second floor para sa bedrooms. At dahil sa abot kayang monthly payments, naging posible ang pangarap nilang bahay. Dahil sa Kaya Homes Naik at Pag-ibig Financing, abot kaya na ang dream home. Ngayon, may space na sila para simulan ang bagong chapter ng kanilang buhay. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng dream home na abot kaya at perfect para sa pamilya mo, tara na sa Kaya Homes Naik. Message us today to start your journey.